also known as a multi-channel network that Mr. Rahman, myself, and Shekhar Kapoor founded a short while ago. We've asked you all to come over today to share a really special announcement with you that we've been teasing the media with over the last few months. It's actually a project that has been worked on for well over a year now. And Mr. Rahman and Mr. Chandy, who I'll introduce shortly, have flown down from Chennai. Arjun actually is based out of Dallas, Texas, and has co-located to India. He's an award-winning music director, composer, and the conductor of the Nuffs band. And he'll give you a sort of a rundown on how this, on what the whole project and the band is about. The way we'll run it today is I'll hand over now to Mr. Rahman to give you a background on the genesis of Nuffs and how he conceived this. We'll then cut to a 5-minute AV so that you can all experience the Nuffs in its audiovisual glory, and then have Arjun give you the background on all the work that's gone into it for the better part of the last year, and then we can cut to the one-on-one conversations. Okay? So over to you, sir.
Good afternoon, what about good evening? So Nuffs was an idea which was conceived around 3 years back when I went to my music college and I saw Chandy kind of transforming the students and with harmonies and things which I thought would never be possible in India. So I was stunned. In 2 weeks it transformed a cappella kind of a thing, and I used to be a fan of Manhattan Transfer and all these bands abroad. So after a while I had thought of, why don't we take our students and take talented vocalists and make a band which could be our ambassadors for, to go out in the world, perform our songs and covers and whatever stuff. And so we started around a year and a half back, training 8 people, and then came up with the idea called Nuffs. And Nuffs, after naming Nuffs, it became much more deeper. Nuffs is a very, very deep word. It's a fun word, it's a spiritual word, and it's a naughty word. And then now the idea is, now we're releasing the first music video, but it's going to go much further. It's going to become like an experience, Nuffs the experience, which will soon follow. Like you might have seen the Blue Man Group, or you might have seen Cirque. In a smaller way it will start, and hopefully, so it's all a beginning now. Today we're going to show you.
Okay. Can we cut to the
about a few years ago, I had come to his school. I had come to his school to do a little vocal harmony workshop for about a month, and ever since then we just kept in touch of wanting to put together this vocal group, taking some really talented singers from his conservatory, and it's 4 guys, 4 girls, and a bass player, so it's not pure a cappella, although the voices only concept is a very big part of the overall presentation of the group, is the fact that we can really show off these singers. And they sing very complex arrangements, a lot of jazz. There's Carnatic music as well in their repertoire, gospel, pop. So it's a very diverse repertoire of music. And India, for the longest time, has primarily been a soloistic kind of country singing-wise, with some history of choral and vocal group singing. We just wanted to really take that a step further and introduce something new.
Cool. We'd like to open it up to the press for questions now. Media. If we don't have any questions, shall we cut to the one-on-ones? Yeah? All right, let's do that. Thank you. We're doing them here? All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
1 second.
We set up a new rule at home, no phones when
Well, darling,
didn't it?
I know. Nobody listens to that. All the rules ought to be broken.
You try it.
Hello, sir. First of all, many congratulations, Nuffs. Tell us about how was it and how was the experience with Nuffs?
Nuffs is a band which formed a year and a half back. So they were in training, and the whole idea came about when I started my music school. After that, Arjun Chandy, the music director and arranger for this, did a workshop, and I thought, why don't we have a group which can sing amazing jazz harmonies, and they could be in a very high standard where they could go out as musical ambassadors outside India, and so it started like that.
Sir, what about you?
So, QK's role in this, as you know, Raman is a co-founder in QK along with myself and Mr. Kapoor. Our goal was to, once the project had been given life in the form of the audio and the composition, was to take it to the video domain. Our belief is that internet and video are synonymous. So if you have to be in digital, it's got to be in the format of video. And so we shot the video, and we're now taking it, leveraging our technology and our marketing skill sets to take this to the masses online.
Talking about nerves, what exactly it is? It's some kind of a pulse or a heartbeat?
Yeah,
What is it exactly all about?
Nerves is a very deep word. It's free will to choose whatever you want. It could be that, or it could be, mostly it's in a very funny connotation about evil desire, or good desire, bad desire, so it's before the desire happens. That free will is called nafs. And so after discovering that word for the title of the band, many thoughts came as, why don't we make this as an audiovisual experience? Like how, we've seen many audiovisual Broadway, like the Blue Man Group and Cirque and many other things, but in a very small way with live voices, and we're planning on the NAPS experience. That's in the future. It's under development.
So, Samir sir, would like to know from you, what was the vision behind starting QK and giving it a different touch with NUFS? What exactly, how does it start and with such great
So, the vision of QK is to create the largest online media company focused on youth. And we do this leveraging technology and talent. That's the QK part of it. Through that vision, we work with a lot of talent. Music is a big focus. It has a lot to do with Mr. Raman being a co-founder of the company. So we started with that focus. We partnered with Universal Music. So we built deep domain in the music space. We've then extended that across different verticals like the auto sector, beauty blogging, technology, things like that. So the goal of QK is to create this broadcast network online. In that segment, and like I said, music is a big focus. We're always looking to do new things, and we're very proud to have the A.R. Rahman YouTube channel on our network. And this, with the new sound of NUFS, we're really excited to introduce this new sound. It's as you would have seen in what we showed you, except for the bass guitarist, the rest of it is all vocally produced. Every sound that you're hearing is actually vocally produced. It's going to have some Western influences, some Carnatic music, some Hindi music. So I think it'll be really interesting, and I think the audiences that we'll get from this will not only come from India, but from from the Western countries. And that was part of it. I think the vision when Mr. Rahman conceived this, to take an Indian IP out to the international audiences and show that this is possible to do out of India also.
What will be the advantage of having Rahman sir and Shekhar Kapoor, such great people from the industry?
I don't have to answer that. It is so obvious, it is, I don't even know whether that, in the music space, he's treated like a god. And so I think it helps us a lot from an inspiration perspective when we're dealing with talent. As far as he's concerned, he's chosen as his first direct collaboration to collaborate with our artists from Dharavi. So I think that sends out the right kind of messaging. While we didn't design it that way, I think that's exactly the kind of messaging that we wanted to put out there, that as long as you have the talent and the passion, you can have somebody like Rahman sort of bless that project and give it legs. So the Dharavi project is something that he's also involved in, as you've probably read.
Sir, digital content, so how you guys are trying to promote it on a digital platform, and what would be the future of digital industry in coming years? Please elaborate on this.
So I think video and the internet are interlinked. You'll see video consumption on the internet skyrocketing, especially in India, given the smartphone revolution, given 4G coming into the country. So we actually haven't consumed video in the way it was originally conceived when the internet came. So as the internet base, triples, I think video consumption will grow by maybe 10 times. So in that context, I think being in the video entertainment space is really interesting. And that's how, when we've conceived this entire business, everything that we do is extended in the format of video.
Revan sir, why so long, after such a long time you are going to associate with a band? What took you so long to start your particular band? What was all, you have a school in, music school in Chennai over there, but particularly this, how exactly this happened?
Everything needs quality, and it's not how many things you start, it's how you do it. And for that we need the proper trainer. So Arjun came into the picture, he was here for almost a year and a half training, and we wanted to be satisfied before we come into the real world. And so this video is the first video in a way out there, and there are many other videos with different genres of music, especially Indian music. I'm very fascinated with how they sing Indian music, and you guys should watch it. I'm very, very fascinating. And they're a live band. They sing amazingly well in a live situation, and that's the plus, I think. Many bands, many people now, either they look good, but they don't sing well. They sing well, so it's like a combination of many things put together, and for that it took time.
So when can we see the live band performing for everyone? Is there any plans to do such things?
There are many plans. There are many plans, but this is the first attempt. First this comes in, and then we'll go fully.
There are
Also,
various,
sir,
there are various other platforms like the live rap which goes on Fame. So any competition or such thing, we have also seen music director Preetham coming up with such an initiative to promote new talents. So anything like that on mind, please, sir?
I mean, I think it's also nascent, and the market's so large that while in our minds these things may be competitive, I think there's massive consumption and demand for something. People don't even know that what they want because they haven't seen kind of stuff like this out there. So competitive in a very myopic way, but not otherwise.
Sir, Chennai Music School, जो वहाँ पे है, how different will this be from the one which you have over down there south?
What do you mean?
This particular.
This is a product of most of the students are not professionals. They're singing for movies, and they have hit song, they've won awards and all this stuff. So these are professionals, they're not students anymore. They're still learning, of course, in life, but they've come out of it. And this could be replicated in many other cities. But we just wanted to step by step, see how people react to this one. And according to that, we'll all shape up. But there are around 4 videos already ready. It's going to go.
also, sir, I have some news. After that, are you working on Mr. Amir Khan? So tell us about a little bit, if you keep, how is it?
It's a movie which is produced by Amir Khan and Amir Khan production, and it's directed by Advait, and Prasan Joshi is writing the lyrics for that. We're working on it. It's very, very early to talk about it.
Samir, sir, any future plans which you want to share with us? Anything about this particular video? How you're going to take it on a different level? Just in short, while if you want.
I think expansion with more artists. The focus on music will always remain. More genres. We wanted to build it by vertical. I think we've done a fairly impressive job in the music space, even if we say so ourselves. We're now developing other verticals within the network. I think what you'll see, the other interesting thing that you could probably look forward to is we're very passionate about the artists out of our Dharavi project. I think we'd gone on record to say that we are going to work on a film project with Mr. Kapoor and Mr. Rahman. I think we haven't forgotten that, and you should hear something along those lines in that early next year. And outside of that, I think from a technology perspective, we'll be soon making some announcements. So technology and media on the internet side go hand in hand, and so it's as much a technology business as it is a media and content business, and so we'll have some announcements in that segment.
Sure. Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hey, this is A.R. Rahman, and you're listening to